Hi guys, woohoo! I'm at my destination now. It's closed, so I gotta find where the door is. Hi guys, we're back to work now. Woohoo! This is Thanksgiving week, not weekend. Thanksgiving week. Guys, we're hoping we're gonna get paid this week, or else I can't buy stuffing for my turkey. I'm just kidding, guys. Guys, we didn't get paid last week, but we're still happy. I got my $84 back from my thing, guys. From $86, guys. $86.25 from my remember, guys, we had that hazmat thing 3 weeks ago, so I finally got the check, which is really nice, guys. That's one of the nice thing about our company. They'll give you the money back for what you spent for your hazmat. That's it, guys. So we're back at the truck now. So that's it. It's not too bad outside, guys. It's actually 51 degrees. All right, guys, I'm gonna go now. All right, bye bye. Thank you. Have a good day. And my husband, he went and got our paperwork, so I'm waiting for him right now. Yes, sweetheart. Why are you smiling so big?
Our paperwork.
Oh, my husband's smiling so big.
In there.
I wonder what's...
You're probably gonna like this.
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Guys, my heart is beating so fast. Should I close my eyes? Is this a... Did I get promoted on something? Guys, I think I got... Did my...
Oh, look at it.
Guys, I'm nervous. Guys, I normally like to...
First time.
Guys, I normally like to prolong my excitement, which I do because it makes me excited the rest of the day.
Come on, but we have to work.
The longer I prolong the excitement, the more I get surprised, the more, you know, get excited. It's almost like you're floating in the air, like you're in love. Which I am in love. Let's see that love. What is this? Personal and confidential. What is this? Oh, personal and confidential. But I'm showing to you guys. Internal mail. Joe and John's. There. Myself. Safety bonus notification, guys. I got a safety bonus. Woohoo!
$500.
Oh my gosh, I got a safety bonus, guys. $500. Woo! $500. I'm down.
There's 2 pages.
Guys, okay. Guys, I'm gonna read it to you. Okay, it says, congratulations, exclamation mark. Our records indicate that you have qualified for a full safety bonus this fiscal year in the amount of $500 US. Oh my God. Okay, so eligibility requirements may be found in the 2019 Arnold Cares Employee Safety Policy Manual. An electronic copy is available on the employee website and a hard copy at the Service Center's Safety Reference Center. All questions shall be directed to your Safety Center manager, which will then be forwarded to the Safety Department for a response. Kindly do not contact the Safety Department directly. Checks will be processed and delivered to your Service Center shortly before Christmas. Woohoo! Oh my God, gosh. On behalf of everyone in the Corporate Safety Department, I would like to extend our season's greetings and best wishes for a very safe and prosperous year. Yours truly, Arnold Cares Shared Services, LLC. Mr. Orton, Compliance Manager, DOT. Woohoo! Oh my God, guys, I got a safety bonus. Oh my God, guys. I think, oh my God, thank you so much, Arnold. Thank you so much, Arnold Carriers. Long live. Thank you for my safety bonus. Guys, you get a full safety bonus if you don't have any incident in the entire year. So if not, then I think they'll give you $250, I think, or something. But anyway, guys, so I'm just so happy. Woohoo! Bye-bye. Thank you. I am guys, it's not really cold right now. It's actually nice. So I don't know why I'm wearing this scarf, white scarf. I'm not gonna use this, guys, when I'm doing some work, because I don't want this to get dirty. But I just thought this is nice to wear. Actually cold out. Woohoo! Guys, it's not actually warm outside. It's cold.  'Cause it's cold. It's cold outside. Really cold. 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 accident. I don't know what happened, guys, but I didn't see where the incident or the accident is. Do you see it, honey? I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh my gosh, guys. That one? That van? No, that van is turning. Oh, right. Do you see it? I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. Right there. Oh, it looks like the accident has been here for a while. Looks like they clip. Oh, the course light, I think, right there. The course light. Now, few people are not gonna have a drink or not gonna have a beer delivered to their houses because the course light. I didn't see anything. Why there's a lot of police? Why there's so many police? Motorcycle? It looks like, I don't know. Oh, right there, I see it.
Yeah, holy shit.
Oh gosh.
Ripped the whole front of that car apart.
Right. Oh, the course light in a car. Wow, guys, be careful, guys. Don't think that the road is dry, that it's safe. Just be careful. Be safe. That's all, guys. God bless and have a good day. Adios, amigos. My husband bought me this chicken bacon ranch stromboli. My husband knows I love stromboli, so he got me one, guys. I'm trying to save this for tomorrow, but I can't wait, so I'm gonna eat half of this and then half of this tomorrow when I wake up. Alright, guys, I think there's no accident. They're just working on something. Alright, guys, I'm getting ready for bed and I'm here eating. Not a good idea, guys. You're gonna have a chubby chicks like me. Alright, guys, well, enjoy and eat your snack. Yeehaw! Woohoo! Hello, guys, good morning. I am getting ready to work now, and yes, but I need my pillow, guys, and my husband has my pillow. I don't know if I can drive without it. I'm sorry, sweetheart. I love you, honey, but I need my pillow. I got my pillow, guys. Honey, why are you laying like that? I got my pillow, guys. Woo! Now I can go and drive safe, guys. It is crazy outside. I don't know, it's only 34 degrees, guys, but it's not too bad. I haven't checked the weather yet, which I should. You should check your weather, guys, your weather app, and make sure it's not crazy outside, so you guys are ready to make sure it's not snowing over there but not here. It's just for instance. But I seen, my husband noticed there's a lot of snow truck. Bye bye, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Woohoo. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much. My heart goes to all of you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, guys. Woohoo. I'm at my destination now. Well, the road was dry all the way through to Syracuse, so I'm gonna go down now, guys, and drop my trailer. Let's go. Woohoo. It's my trailer, guys. I'm gonna go get inside first and see where they want this babies. Driver's door is closed. It should be right there, but I'm gonna take this road. I don't know if I'm allowed here, so let's go. Oh, it is a lock, guys. It's locked. Where do I go? Up. It's closed, so I gotta find where the door is. This is the second time in a long time, or this is the first time I'm back here. I haven't been here in a while. Alright, guys, I found a door, so this is it. Woo! And now I have to go back all the way there. Alright, guys, I don't know if I'm allowed here, so I'll see you later. Oh, wow. It's open. And this is for my Instagram.
34. Here, here.
Roll out.
Huh?
Back up.
No, go ahead. We can do it faster like this.
What is this? This black? I think it's not. Oh my god. Let's throw this. Wow. Woo!
Push it.
Oh my god.
Keep going.
This is good.
Keep it going.
Oh my god.
There you go.
I'm just kidding.
All right, what's our trailer number? What is it?
You know what? I need to make sure too we have enough gas.
I got some. Yeah, I
They're
got.
gonna cut us off, guys.
Oh, if they cut us off, then
Yeah, we're not gonna have enough fuel. I don't want to get dirty. Alright. Alright, guys. Woohoo!
Alright.
Arriba!
we make sure there's nothing in here.
Nothing in here.
Sounds empty.
Alright, guys. So I'm finally at my destination. So I'm just gonna drop my trailer and then get some gas and change driver. Woohoo! it, guys. So I don't do it every day, but I want to. I do it every now and then to do that exercise while pumping gas, because they make it go by fast, guys. Especially if you're filling up 2 tanks. So 2 tanks, it takes forever. That's it, guys. I'm gonna fill up the other tank now and do the other side. Gas. This is why I exercise. Jump. Knee jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Now my tank is full. That's it, guys. That's how I do my little movement. I think it's boring if you just stand up, you know. So I try to do a little movement while I'm pumping gas. Alright, my tank is full now, guys. Oh my God. Alright, guys, our tank is full. Good to go. I'm good. For you, sweetheart. Is the seat warm? Honey? Is it warm?
Not really.
Alright. I am done for the day, which is awesome greatness. Oh my God, I found my pillow that I was missing last night. It's right there. I was looking for that pillow. Guys, this is my favorite pillow. It's soft. I found it. I'm glad. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to the restroom and then I'm gonna be going to bed and I'm gonna be checking you out. Bye bye.